Hey look guys, I need your opinion on this matter here. So, went to Pete Hines' Twitter, that is the Vice President of Public Relations for Bethesda Softworks, and someone tweeted him, is Bethesda Game Studios in the works of something the public doesn't know about? If you could reply, that would be great. So Pete Hines replies to him, I'm not aware of anyone in the public who knows what they're working on, since nothing has been announced. So I'm kind of torn between two different ideas here. One is good, and one is bad. Now, I'll start off with the good one. It could just be a PR spin-off saying, oh, we just don't know. But Pete Hines has in the past said on multiple occasions that we might not get Fallout. Might not. In different articles in the past, and I feel like this could be another one of those saying no one knows what they're actually working about. I mean, come on. It might not be Fallout 4, but everyone thinks that it's going to be Fallout related. So from what I'm taking from this is he's saying that no one actually knows what they're working on. It could be some stupid project that no one wants, like they've done in the past. So leave your comments below what you think this is.